Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. So this is your monthly reading for August 2026. So let's see what's coming to you ngayong August. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see. Cancerians, what's the energy for you ngayong August? Patience. Patience is the key to success. Patience is a virtue. Ayan. So, maaaring meron kayong kailangan hintayin, pag nilay-nilayan muna, or you have to be more relaxed and kalmado sa mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin, i-pursue ngayong August, no? Kalmahan nyo lang. Wag masyadong madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay. Oo, kasi syempre pag minadali, most of the time, nagkakamali. O, diba? Minadali, nagkamali. So, take your time. Mas magiging maingat ka. Wow! O, diba? Talaga naman, rewarding para sa inyo ang inyong patience because merong abundance coming in. Ang ganda nitong citrine. Ayan. So, maaring ngayong August, bibili kayo ng citrine or anything na crystals na magbibigay sa inyo ng abundance. Wonderful. Okay. So, ang abundance kasi hindi lang yan sa pera ha. Resources, 'di ba? Abundance of knowledge, abundance of time. So, pili na lang kayo kung anong gusto niyo abundance dyan. You also have the South Node, which is the energy from the past. So, pwedeng meron kayong aayusin from the past. Like, it will work out, especially that nagkaroon ng retrograde. Or I think, matatapos yan. Itong, malapit na matapos, yung retrograde ngayong July. So, pagdating na ng August, ayan, maaring settled na kung ano man yung kailangan mong tapusin, mga unfinished business, relationships, connections, may closure. Let's see what else for Cancerians. Overall energy. Wow, you have the Ace of Cups. So this is new source of happiness, new beginning. Meron ding rito, parang hihingi ng tawad sa'yo. Or ikaw yung hingi ng tawad. Just take what resonates. Yung parang offering of peace. Ayan. Can be offering of love. Your challenge is the Knight of Cups. Okay, ito ata yung mag-offer sa'yo ng love, no? Tapos challenge yan sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng sa ngayon, hindi ka pa ready. Or you are trying to understand and ina-analyze mo pa yung sitwasyon. So, for some of you, this can be a relationship na merong person na nag-offer ng love sa'yo, pero somehow, pwedeng isip mo na, ready ka na ba? Open ka ba for this new relationship? This can also mean an offer of, can be a new career, new source of income. So, you are asking yourself kung handa ka na ba? Now, your opportunity is the Emperor. Yes, handa ka na. The Emperor is about being ready for the battle. Kasi tinan mo, in full gear na siya, 'di ba? Tapos, hindi lang siya basta soldier. Siya yung pinaka-head, no, ng battle. Kung ano man tong labanan na to. Pag sinabi natin labanan, hindi mo yung mag-away-away, no? Ibig sabihin, you're ready for something that you want to start. Kasi andyan na you have the discipline, you have the structure. Ito na yun. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, this is an opportunity to become a leader. Kasi ang Cancerians ay cardinal sign. So may leadership qualities talaga yan. You are ready to build your own empire. Now, your blessing is the Seven of Swords. So, as a blessing, I think mas magiging magaling kang magaling kang makakita kung sino yung mga may hindi magandang intentions towards you. That can be the reason why pag merong mga bagay, tao sa buhay mo na nilalapit yung sarili nila sa'yo or may ino-offer sila, you are somehow, not naman really skeptical, but kumbaga, hindi ka kaagad pumapasok. No? Kumbaga, iniisip mo agad muna, ito ba ay ano ba intention nito? Nakakabuti ba to sa akin? Ganon. I-clarify natin tong Seven of Swords. What is the Seven of Swords, please? Yeah, Ace of Wands. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano man tong bago mong susubukan, tinitingnan mo muna if this is good for you, what's the intention behind it, sino yung mga tao makakasama. So, may pagka-inquisitive ka. You really want to know what is going on. So, let's see what else para sa inyo. Okay. For Cancer, Cancerians, ngayong August, what's the energy? What else is coming? Flowers. Oh, I can buy myself flowers. Happiness. Oh, baka ito na nga. Ito na nga yun, happiness. Magdadala ng happiness itong offer sa inyo. Can be a relationship, romantic connection, or the business, or ano man tong offer na to sa'yo. Kung ano man yung mga problema mo sa ngayon, temporary lang yan. Okay? Yan ay masusolusyonan mo na. Yan ay magagawan mo ng paraan. So, don't worry. You'll be receiving or giving a precious gift. O, diba? So, ito yung sinabi ko rin sa inyo kanina na maaring meron kang ibibigay, i-offer, or ikaw yung makaka-receive nito. Yes, that's really nice. Okay, what else before we end your reading? Let's see, Cancerians. What else? Ascension, awaken to your soul's potential. Wow, ang ganda nito. Nagkakaroon ka ng awakening. Yung potential mo, yung mga kakayanan mo. You realize na there's more to life. No? Yung tipong marami ka palang kayang gawin. Marami ka palang kakayanan. Mas malakas ang loob mo. See, you are emerging. Oh my God, Cancerians. Ibig sabihin nito is, maglalakas loob ka. You are taking a leap of faith. Butterfly, this is transformation. Nag-emerge. Rebirth, it's a brand new you. Dahil na-awaken ka sa soul's potential mo, let's say na-awaken ka sa kakayanan mo, abilities mo, and now you are taking a leap of faith, naglalakas loob ka na simulan yan. I think that's also the Ace of Cups for you, okay? And that blessing is, taking that initiative, okay? To do it. Wow, okay. So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.